Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to update detail view record. So what you are going to see here is we will be displaying the data from jobs table, right? And in the jobs table, you can also see there is a option for edit. Once user clicks the edit, it will present the controls here for the edit option, and user can edit the specific details like a job description, minimum level, maximum level, right? And you can also see there are two options displayed. User can proceed with the update by clicking the update, or they can cancel at any time. Now let's go to the demo. First, we will create a new web form here. So this is our detail view control, right? So, but here we will be creating a new web form. You can choose web form or choose new item and pick a web form from here. And we will name this as detail view 02 update records.aspx. So here we added the web form. So in this example, we are going to use the job table. And since we are going to explore the update operation, we will create a clone of this jobs table. Let me delete this employee one also. In future, if we need, we can use it. That's also a clone. So what we can do is select star into jobs one from jobs. So this will create the clone of jobs table. Right, 14 row affected. So now we will be having the jobs one table here. And if you see, this is the jobs one table. Okay, now we will go to our form. We will also set job ID in our cloned one as a primary key. So for that, we will invoke the design and right click this job ID and set it as primary key. So here you will be seeing primary key. Don't forget to save jobs one. Now primary key is set. So since we need to pick data from the jobs one table, here I am dragging and dropping the SQL data source, right? So here we are picking the pubs connection string. If you need, you can go for the new connection. In this sub-series, we already added this pub connection string, so I'm choosing that. Click next here, and let's pick jobs one clone. Let it be the star. That means all fields I need. Now we will go for advanced option and choose generate, insert, update and delete statement. Since our job table already have the primary key enabled, I mean the jobs one table, we can easily generate, insert, update and delete sequence. Let's click OK here and choose next. Alright, we will click finish. Data source is ready. Now we will go ahead with the detail view control. And auto format, this time choosing simple. Or we can go ahead with the same classic, apply. Okay. And here we'll be choosing the SQL data source one. We'll go for enable paging and enable editing. once you click editing, you can see the edit icon is displayed here, right? It's also good to change the SQL data source name as NDS jobs. And we need to bind this again to DS jobs 1. Yes, save all. And job description, this space is not enough, so I'm just expanding our detail view. And we should also go for paging as well as editing. So here we included paging so that we can move to specific record, then we can go for the edit. And we are using jobs 1 table, right? So we can pick any record randomly. Start from jobs 1, and yeah, we will pick some record and we will modify it. Alright, now we will run this. So here I'm picking randomly some job. So job ID 7, that is marketing manager, right? Now, is there any marketing manager here? It's a 7, right? This we will modify now. Here I'm choosing edit, and here in marketing manager I am choosing modified. Alright, so here instead of 120 I'm giving 119, max level 199. Right, you can give cancel, so it will discard the changes whatever you made here, but instead here I am giving the update. So maybe this one I will give 201, right? The data type error we saw previously, right? So it may accept up to 255 because of the data type. Now we modified this, right? And here if you execute this, you can see marketing manager modified 119 and 201, right? Let's bring this again, and we will put back the original record 7, right? And we'll go for edit. Let it be marketing manager, and here we will have 120, and here we will have 200. This is the original record, right? Let it be like this only. So that's all. Just now you saw how the edit is working. You can navigate through a specific record and invoke the edit option to edit a particular record. All right, that's all here in this specific video. Thank you for watching. Bye.